Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and combine PDFs into one PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and from here you can go to the Adobe Acrobat page and get started with downloading. Once you have downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page we can get started. As you can see here, you are going to see the recommended tools section from where we can go ahead and take a look at all the basic tools and how to get started using them. And as you can see, one of them is going to be called the combine files option. That's going to enable you to merge multiple files into single PDF. And as you can see, you can click to use it now. But guys, you are going to need the premium subscription for Adobe, as you cannot do this with the free trial. So as you can see, to be able to combine them and rearrange pages, you're going to need a premium subscription, so keep that in mind. But if you need more help step by step, you can go to the official combine files into one PDF article right here on the official help Adobe website, where you can get started taking a look at how to go ahead and combine them. So it's going to show you all the steps on how to get started and how to go ahead and arrange your files and how to combine them into one folder. So you can follow this step by step, but keep in mind that you are going to go ahead and need a premium subscription. As you can see here, you have this crown icon, which means exactly that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.